Hello students, I am Miss Neil Kokre, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering department. In last lecture, we were discussed the syllabus of power system planning and reliability. In this lecture, we will start with module 1, that is load forecasting. What is load forecasting? What is forecasting? See, there is a certain difference between the meaning of words forecasting and prediction. Although these are used for the same purpose, okay, but a prediction is generally a statement or a guess of something which will happen regardless of whether the people want it or not, and is something beyond one's control. For example, one might predict rain or bad weather. This is a prediction, okay. And what is forecasting? Forecasting is a statement of what will happen if certain conditions or trends continue, and assumes that the causes of events are under human control. Okay, that means if forecast is undesirable, it is within one's ability to change it. Okay, this is forecasting. Prediction and forecasting. What is difference between these two words? प्रेडिक्शन मीन्स गेसेस. ओके, गेस. आपण एखादी गोष्ट गेस करतो की आज सपोज आज बॅड वेदर आहे किंवा आज पाऊस पडणार आहे, हे झालं प्रेडिक्शन. पण फोरकास्टिंग म्हणजे काय आहे, तर ही आपण एखादी सर्टन थिंग चेंज करू शकतो. ओके, दिस इज फोरकास्ट. ओके, ओव्हर द इयर्स forecasting has been refined considerably and has now reached a stage where it is more precise and unbiased. It has been extensively used in areas as diverse as electrical load forecasting, economic trends, market surveys, etc. See, in power systems, there is a great need for accurately forecasting the load and energy requirements, because of great amount of money is spent in the electricity distribution industry. Medium range forecasting of annual peak power and energy requirements for each month of the coming year are necessary to plan for fuel, for example coal, oil, etc., for thermal power plants. Then reservoir water releases for hydro projects, imposing of any restrictions on loads like air conditioning during summer and heating in winter. Okay, so real-time load forecasting for short duration, varying from a few minutes to 2 to 24 hours, has been in vacuum to power utilities for system operation. Okay, if the energy forecast is too conservative, there is very likelihood of the generating capacity falling short of the actual demand, resulting in restrictions being imposed on the power supply, which will detrimental to the economic well-being of country. Okay, if the forecast is too optimistic, it may lead to the creation of an excess generating capacity, resulting in part of the investment not giving immediate returns. Okay, the words such as demand and consumptions are also used instead of electric load. Okay, the energy and power are the two basic parameters of loads. Okay, the forecast of energy requirement is also important to power generation authorities, so that the water or fuel requirements can be calculated and generator allocation schedules work out. There are two forecasts, that is demand forecast and energy forecast. The demand forecast is to determine capacity of generation, transmission and distribution required, and the energy forecast is to determine the type of generation facilities required. So there is a load curve. Okay, there are various types of load curves. That is daily load curve, monthly load curve and annual load curve. Load curve is used for calculation of variations of load during different time. Then now total number of units used for generation. Then what is the maximum demand? Then what is the average demand of power station, and what is the load factor? Okay. See, this is a example of daily load curve. A daily load curve passes suppose 12 am to 12 pm. एक 24 hours हा झाला एक daily load curve. ओके, तर मॉर्निंग आवरला काय असते? मॉर्निंग आवरला लोड डिमांड कमी असते. ओके, देन पीक आवर कुठला? पीक आवर्स मध्ये म्हणजे फ्रॉम 10 am to up to 4 or 5 pm. ओके, देर इज अ पीक डिमांड. ओके, हाय डिमांड असते. ओके, आणि पुन्हा इव्हिनिंग टाइमला काय होते? डिमांड लो होते आणि नाईटला काय असते? डिमांड अगदीच खूप कमी असते. ओके, सो हा एक काय झाला? डेली लोड कर्व, 24 आवर्सचा एक डेली लोड कर्व झाला. ओके, सो देर आर सम लोड कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, that is demand factor, load factor, then say diversity factor, utilization factor and power factor. What is demand factor? Demand factor is defined as the maximum demand to the connected load. Okay, load factor is calculated as average demand to the maximum demand. Okay, then diversity factor calculated as sum of individual maximum demands to the maximum demand of power generation, and the utilization factor is maximum demand on power station to the rated capacity of power station. Okay, these are useful definitions. Higher the values of load factor and diversity factor, lower will be the overall cost per unit generation. Okay, or per unit generated, and higher the value of diversity factor of the loads, the fixed charges due to capital investment will be reduced. See, the loads are classified into different categories, that is domestic load, commercial load, industrial load, agricultural load and other loads. Okay, the types of loads we will see in next lecture. Thank you.